Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare React Native Emulator versus VS Code. We'll dive into how these two essential tools work together to create a robust development environment for your mobile applications. Emulators offer a virtual space to test your app across various devices, while VS Code provides the powerful coding and debugging features you need. Understanding their individual strengths and how they integrate is key to building high-quality React Native projects efficiently. Let's explore their distinct functionalities and combined power. Emulators are virtual devices that mimic real smartphones, allowing you to test your React Native applications without needing a physical device. Tools like Android Studio's AVD and Xcode's iOS simulator are indispensable for checking how your app performs on different screen sizes and operating system versions. While incredibly useful, they can be quite demanding on your computer's resources, often consuming several gigabytes of memory. They are perfect for initial development and debugging, offering features like simulating slow network conditions or specific GPS locations. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is your central hub for writing and managing React Native code. It's celebrated for its speed and extensive customization options. With features like IntelliSense, which provides smart code completion, and powerful debugging tools, it significantly boosts developer productivity. Crucial extensions, such as React Native tools, allow you to run and debug your app directly from the editor. Its integrated terminal and seamless Git integration mean you rarely need to leave the application, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. The true power comes from integrating VS Code with your chosen emulator. You can launch your React Native application directly onto an emulator from within VS Code, enabling a seamless debugging experience. For optimal performance, ensure your development machine has at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, especially when running multiple emulators simultaneously. This combination allows for rapid code changes and immediate testing, significantly accelerating your development cycle. Together, they form a highly efficient and productive environment for building outstanding mobile applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.